Alrighty. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me get everybody in here. Let me tell everybody I am in here. Let's see. Hey, everyone. Oops. What's up? Ooh, show. Oh, that was close. Oh, wow. So we got like I want to call the three-way tie, but the numbers don't lie, right? Show was the first person to say what's up. So Maximus typed first. He probably typed first, but entered it right after Show said what's up. Oh, man. I'm telling everybody else I'm live. I'm live right now. Hop in. Send now. I'm going to have to copy this message and then post it in Trading Ideas as well. Just so everybody can know I'm live. All right, cool. You can say I didn't tell you, I didn't warn you. Unguardable said, hello, what up? What up? I'm chilling, brother. How you doing? Or sister? Siam, what's good? Oh, man. Everybody in here early today. We're going to have some fun with it today. Some fun. You guys, we have some good announcements coming for our community. Those of you who are in the Discord, you already know. We have some stuff planned. So we got a lot to talk about. We'll do a little bit of, chart analysis and things of that nature. And we'll take it from there. But I hope you guys are having a great day so far. How was Thursday for you guys? How was trading so far? This week for me, honestly, has been a little anemic. I've seen some setups and stuff, but I don't know how I feel about the market, man. Bro, you're early today. Yes, Adib, good point. I'm early today because I got to leave early today. I can't stay past 12. I'm actually going to be out of here around like 11:30, maybe 11:40-ish. And so, you know what I mean? Like, I got to give you guys enough time, at least an hour of my time. We got to spend some time today, guys. So how has it been? How have you been? Yo, Verd, what's good? Man, we got a lot of people in here today. Like, we usually get a good amount, but early, usually it's like Maximus will come in and be like, hey, and then it's me and Maximus for about 5 minutes until either Adib, Mr. R, or Shosho, somebody shows up. You know what I mean? So pretty interesting. Yo, did not trade today. Weird movements. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the trade that I took today that, don't get me wrong. The weird thing about the market right now is that the market, it's not that you can't determine where price is going. Like for me, let me just put it this way. This is the thing I'm finding very weird. I can do the analysis. I can see exactly where price is going to. And then it'll still be like, even though you know where price is going, there's no setups. I don't know how to put it. It's just weird. It's just very, very weird. And don't get me wrong. I can easily, no, let me not say easily. That sounds a bit too cocky. I can sometimes observe the market and I can tell like, okay, price is going here. So I can enter the market and be like, if I just put my stops here, I should be fine. And like 9 times out of 10, it works. But what I'm not trying to do is train myself to have bad habits. What people don't know about life or trading in general is that whatever or whoever you are outside of trading shows up in the charts. And so if you also build bad habits in the charts, you're going to take that with you when you leave. It's a double-edged sword or a two-way street in a sense, right? So I try my best not to do that. With that being said, let's get into some maybe analysis. You know what I mean? Or do you guys want to do the market updates first? I don't want to say analysis, but I guess a kind of a breakdown of what happened today with the trade. Let me ask you guys. Let me ask you y'all. Let's see what's going on over here. Let me start a poll real quick. And I'm going to say, should we do community updates first? Or what's the other one? Or chart or trade overview. There we go. So I'm going to say community updates. And then I'll say train. There we go. Boom. Let's see what you guys say. All right, let's see what you guys say. Vote. Filled 1 to 10 ratio sell on Euro USD today. Nice. Nice. We can maybe take a look at that later. By the way, guys, like I said, I have some. You know what? Let me not spoil it. Oh wow, 3 votes. All right, 3 people. Half of you guys have voted in here, bro. We got to get at least 2 more just so it's majority. You know what I mean, what would you guys like? You know what though? Actually, okay. Actually, hold on, guys. Let me end this. I gotta wait for one person. Actually, I gotta message them right now, bro. Good morning song, please. Yeah, it's been a while since we did a good morning song. Let me see. Oh shoot, I can't do it. I can't do it. You know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to play this through the mic. Let me see. How can I do this? Cause guys, something's going on with my thing right now. Give me 1 second. Let me try this. I'll go screen capture. Yeah, I can't. If I play right now, you guys will not be able to hear it. Watch. Tell me if you can hear this. Can you hear this? Could you guys hear that? Because if you can't hear it, it's because my OBS is cooked, bro. I don't know what is going on with it. It just doesn't. It has its days where it's normal, and then other days it's like on sick leave. Could you guys hear that at all? Because then the only way for me to fix this is to end the stream, which I don't want to do that. Oh, you guys can hear it? Okay, cool. Then all right, then let's go. Let's go. Yeah, all right. Let's get back to tradition. One of the things we were notorious for doing, guys. You know what? It's been way too long. It's been way too long, ladies and gentlemen. Way too long. All right. First off, we have a tradition here. We are the best. Very low though. Yeah, that's the issue because you guys are hearing the feedback from my speakers on my computer into the mic. So, and I don't want to end the live. Ludo, what's up? What's up? Just the guy I was looking for. All right, guys. Let me see if I can put this on full blast and maybe you guys can hear it as loud as you can. All right. Shout out to everybody who is an OG. All of you guys who have been here from the beginning. Good morning to you guys. It feels like a crime. It's been a long time. Good morning, my lovely people. Good morning, all you pineapples out there.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It has been a hot minute since we played that. But you guys, this is part of the community updates that we have. There's a lot of things that we're going to get back into, that we're going to be bringing in, that we're working on. It's going to be lovely. All right, guys, we have a lot of activities and stuff. I see somebody liking the live. Shout out to whoever's liking the live. Shout out to you. May God bless you. May God give you peace and long life. May God put his hand upon your head and bless you. May God bless you for liking the live stream. Yo, all my pineapple. Come on, it's night in my country. Yo, unguardable, my fault. Hey, I'm gonna make sure that at least before you go to bed, you get a little bit of entertainment with a little bit of education. But we got a lot going on, know what I'm saying? We got a lot going on. It's been a long time, guys. We used to do this like daily. We would be trading. We would be, just having a good time. So, we're gonna do our best to get same. It's night. My fault, guys. I'm not trying to get you in trouble. But yeah, I'm gonna do my best to bring things to the way they used to be. All right, so let's start off with the community updates since that's what you guys voted for. So I'm gonna switch back to this, I guess. Right? You know what I mean? We got the charts. Love from George. Oh, really, bro? Where is that? I have never seen that before. Forgive me if I'm a typical ignorant North American, but. Bro, much love to you first off. And I got to find out where that is. That sounds like a beautiful place. I'm definitely going to check it out. But yeah, everybody who's here, shout out to you guys. Took a break again from trading. Ludo. Got you. So you're speaking to Ludo. Yeah, guys, we're going to talk about the markets, but you guys voted for community updates. Let's get to the community updates. And when everybody else gets back in later on, whoever's liking the live again, the Lord, may the Lord, may his hand, may his mighty hand, your head, you. Yo, where's Adib? Is Adib in here? Adib loves these things. Adib, the Lord, you. All right, okay. All jokes aside, guys. Europe, come on, man. Bro, I mean, obviously it's gonna be somewhere in Europe, but I'm saying like I didn't know which part are you. Forget it. Y'all, it's whatever. Okay, let's go. All right, okay, sure. Hopefully you can come back soon. All right, cool. So with the community updates, guys, we have a lot of things that we have in the pipeline. I think you guys saw this morning that Ludo posted asking if you guys wanted the meme channel to open. So obviously we have a meme channel that we're going to open up, and we're going to, I'm going to tell you guys all the channels, all the stuff that we have going on, all the things we plan to do, just so you guys can understand all the activities that's coming into the Discord and onto YouTube. So if you are here and you've got to go, give me 5 minutes of your time, and then you can hop out if you have to. So here's what we're thinking. So number one, obviously the meme channel, we already told you guys about that. We're going to be opening up the meme channel. Now I do have to say, we want you guys to like go ham in there and just did not know Mara. Yeah, I love it, man. And I was like, though, alive. Yeah, got you. Appreciate you, Adeep. Yeah, so when it comes to the meme channel, obviously we want you guys to have fun. We notice a lot of you guys post memes and stuff like that, and you guys have been asking for a long time, bro. We need a dedicated meme channel. So I'm going to be opening a meme channel for you guys, and I want you guys to kind of go ham in there, have fun, do your stuff, but obviously please keep it respectful, okay? We have a section for rules that is open now. You guys should be able to see it. If you can't see it, I'm just going to lay out the rules for you guys. In the meme section and in the Discord in general, you guys are able to do what you want, say what you want, all that stuff, but there are some general rules, okay? If you're going to post memes, make sure it's not NSFW or NSWF, whatever. Not safe for work, basically. NSFW. Not safe for work. In other words, something that you can't, if you at work you couldn't watch, don't post that in the Discord, all right? Don't post in the meme channel. We don't want to watch any porn. We don't want to watch any people getting killed or whatever that you think is a funny way to make it. Like, we don't want to see none of that, all right? So keep it PG, basically, all right? Nothing political, obviously, nothing religious. And then outside of that, you're good. And as long as it's not like too vulgar or nothing, like, you're fine. But yeah, go ham in with the memes, okay? We're going to get that going on. And so another thing that we've got going on that we're kind of cooking up is we have some activities coming up for those of you guys who are, so I've been working with the mod, which I'm going to announce soon. But I've been working with the mod on how we can get you guys the giveaway still, because we were waiting for the, what's it called? You know what? Guys, give me 1 second. Let me just change this title real quick so that those who are used to being in here can understand this. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me edit this. I'm going to say, free account giveaway announcement plus live. Okay, boom. All right, I'm sorry, guys. I had to edit this real quick so that people can understand what we're doing. Yeah, so anyways, too much quality for 7 people. I feel like VIP member, man. Bro, listen, one thing, first off, I appreciate that compliment. That's such a beautiful statement. Thank you very much. And one thing I always try to do is make every member, every single viewer feel appreciated. The Discord is one of the best places on earth, I believe. But anyways, we're going to do our best to bring it back to life and all that stuff. So yes, we got the memes channel coming up, all right? And then for those of you guys who, have been waiting for this giveaway, right? I've been saying since, I think it was like late November, I'm like, guys, we're going to do giveaway. We wanted to do 10 accounts. So if you guys don't know, if you're new here, this is what happened. Reached out to a bunch of prop firms. Hey, my name is such and such. I want to do 10 accounts where I can give them away. I'm not asking you for anything. Just let me buy them all at once, and then you send me a link that I can distribute to the winners. They're all like, oh yeah, sorry, at this time we can't do that. Like, why? So finally, one prop firm, I'm not going to mention their name, one prop firm said, yeah, we can do it. Left me on red after they said, like, we went through the whole process. All right, so how much do you need? Oh, if we did this right now, would you be ready? I'm like, yes. Boom. I'm like, I'm ready to go. They're like, all right, cool. And that was the last thing I heard from them. So now the giveaways have been on pause. Now you're probably asking, well, why can't you just buy the accounts? Excellent question. Well, I'll tell you. In order for me to buy the accounts, I would have to be able to bypass a bank security feature, which basically blocks me from buying something in my name with my card for your address. Remember, with these prop firms and stuff, I gotta make sure the address and everything. Everybody who remembers how I did the last giveaway, that was hell. It took me like 2 days of staying up just to do it. But essentially what happened was, because these prop firms are not willing to work with me, I had to buy all these accounts myself. So I ended up using my cards. Then the bank started blocking my cards because they're like, wait, why are you buying? I'll use like Adib and Ludo as an example. Why are you buying an account with your card and your name and your address on file, but where the account is going to is in Adib's name and Adib's address? So they were blocking all the transactions. Then I said, all right, cool. I tried PayPal, tried all these things. It didn't work. I'm like, all right, let me do crypto. Thinking crypto, I mean, nobody should have an issue with crypto, right? But when I started buying with crypto, the prop firm started to realize, bro, this guy's buying too many accounts. So they started blocking my account. Bro, it was a nightmare. to get this done. And now you can ask, Ludo's a witness. I was just trying to send money to someone in the States the other day, and it literally, I ended up asking him, like, Ludo, could you do it? And you know what I mean? We had to figure out a way because there's such a big barrier with like doing these transactions for whatever reason. And it's probably money laundering laws, which I kind of understand. So that's what has brought us to this point where these 10 accounts that we want to give away hasn't been done. But I am working with the mod, and yeah, via crypto, bro. Yeah, exactly. Right. So I am working with the mod, and here's what we're going to do. So we're not only going to do the 10 accounts giveaway, we have some interesting and amazing stuff coming up. So number one, we're going to be doing a tournament, okay, where we're not just going to be giving away, like, let's say 10 accounts. We're going to be giving away, like, one large account, like maybe a 100K account, maybe a 200K account. That's one of the things in the pipeline. The second, so we're going to be able to reward all the, like, really good traders. There's a lot of you guys in there who are really good. And don't get me wrong, like, it doesn't have to be like you guys are trading off of, like, let's say a funded account or anything. We'll probably make it so that if we do the tournament, it'll be on a demo account. That way everybody can participate, and then so on and so forth, right? So we're going to be giving away 10 accounts, okay? Then we're also going to be giving away a large account for the tournament. Then, remember we have Discord member of the month. So we're working on prizes for that. So there'll be account giveaways, Nitro subscriptions, certain things that we can buy on your behalf, and then you guys can have those benefits. So it's going to be really, really cool. And shout out to all of you guys who are very active in the Discord, helping out the new people, sharing your analysis, your trades and stuff like that. It's really, really beautiful to see. So we have that coming on. And then we also we're actually looking for a mod. So you guys, following this live today, we're going to be opening applications, okay? Meaning anybody who is in the Discord can apply to become a mod, okay? We're going to make you a mod. And I think at this time we're looking for about 2. So sending your applications if you want to be a mod in the Discord. There will be benefits to it as well, and eventually there will be compensation. And for those of you who are like, man, you are using the very big word, it just means you'll be paid. All right. So I'll buy lottery tickets. The person might get lucky. Yeah, maybe I'll buy like 1,000 of those dollar scratch ones, right? But anyway, so there's gonna be account giveaways. There's gonna be subscription giveaways, and then also things like people getting access to the VIP membership, or certain products that are only available to the VIP membership, things like that, right? You might win a free trial, you might win 1 full month of access, things like that. So we have a lot of stuff coming up. So if you guys want to be a mod, or you think of being a mod, guys, vote for me. No, it's not a vote thing. You submit your application, Adib. I'll show you how to do it after, and then after, me and the team will review it, and then we'll select the best candidates, basically. But we might also put it to a vote to see who the community wants to see as a mod as well. So if you become a mod, there will be compensation and things like that in the future. And then we're also working on something like where we have an interactive live stream at least once or twice a month. So what that means is that in the Discord, we're going to be going live, and it's not going to be like the one on YouTube where it's just you guys in the chat and then me responding to the chat and talking. It's going to be like you guys are in the Discord with me. Cameras on, mic on. You guys can ask me questions, anything you want. You can ask me, how long is a piece of string? It doesn't matter, right? And we'll be able to talk about it. Last time we did that, people asked about business, people asked about trading, people asked about all sorts of stuff. And not only was it very informative and educational, it was a beautiful moment because all of us got to see each other's face. I got to see Dean, I got to see Adib, I got to see Jason, I got to see Shakir. I believe Ludo wasn't the only person who wasn't there. I saw Fauci, like we saw a bunch of each other, right? And it's just really good. We saw Yolomi. You know what I mean? So it was absolutely awesome. So we have that coming up as well. So we're going to be setting that up. And then we also have, Ludo said vote for me. Got you, Ludo. And then we also have some sort of like a movie night coming. So we have subscriptions that we've essentially purchased or of ours that we're willing to share. And we're trying to find a way to stream in the Discord so we can have like a movie night. So some of the latest movies, we could like buy them, and then everybody can like hop in like on a Friday night, maybe a Sunday night, and we all watch, right? And just chill out, talk trash, you know what I mean? Watch the movie together, stuff like that. Literally, yeah, FM linked it. Oh, my fault. That is so bad of me. Guys, I gotta link the Discord. One second, guys. He's so right. I should have linked the Discord from time. Invite people. Copy, and then all right, guys, I will ask your home address. Yeah, Adib, I will be very careful what I do because of you. All right, guys, so here's the Discord link. I'm gonna pin it right now. Pin message. Perfect. All right, so it's been pinned. So that's the Discord link if you are New to the Discord, never been to the Discord, yada 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 yada. Um, that will be that. So sorry and thank you. Nah, you good, unguardable, you good. Oh wait, where's the Discord link? Can you guys help me? Yeah. So shout out to Ludo for pointing that out, and unguardable, you're welcome. So yeah, so in the Discord we'll have like a movie night and things of that nature. And then we're going to, you know what I mean, like chop it up. And then the last thing, well, not the last, we have one more, but I can't share with you guys right now. But the last thing that we're planning to also do as well, we'll kind of finalize it, iron it out. We're also planning to do like a weekend, like, well, not what, there's two parts. One, we're gonna do like a COD Mobile thing where we have like a section open up for COD Mobile. We can game together. I gamed with Sako. Yo, where's Sako, bro? Let me tell Sako to get in here. Or Ludo, can you message Sako for me, please? Can you message Sako and tell him to get his behind in here, right? So, oh wow. Anyhow, so yeah, so we're gonna be doing like so there's gonna be a section for COD Mobile. That way we can all game together. I gamed with Sako one time for like literally like 6 hours. He was like, brother, man, it's like 6 in the morning where I am. I said, oh, my fault, bro. so Sako ended up having to go to sleep, but it was fun. We game with Party Shirt Trader as well. Party Shirt Trader is a fiend, bro. Me and Sako, we were going ham, right? We're getting like 20 kills, like 15 kills. We're feeling nice. We're like, oh man, we're a great team. And then Party Shirt came in there, and he was going crazy. But anyway, so we're gonna have that, and then we're also going to be doing like a like I said, like a weekend thing where we're gonna be playing either Black Ops 6 or Warzone together. And what we're planning to do is we're going to start like some squads and some teams with the members of the Discord, and we're just going to go out there and wreak havoc. I think it's going to be fire. I think of all the things that we have lined up, that's my favorite one because I want to game with you guys so badly. I know Ludo's already shown interest in that as well, so we're probably going to stream, you know, together and whatnot, and it will be like our little, we'll probably change our clan name to like FM or, you know, FMF, like, or Foreign Money Family. Yeah, FMF with like a $, right? So that way it could be like Foreign Money Family. And then we go out there, just do what we can. And it's just gonna be fire. And so those are the plans that we have now for the community update. So guys, the giveaways are coming back. We're just trying to finalize it. Once we come up with a concrete way of doing it, you guys will see. We will do the Discord, the announcement live. It'll be fire. And so yeah, I don't know if I'm missing anything, but anything that I missed, it will be announced today. So you guys, we have a lot to look forward to. Those of you guys who are in the chat, I appreciate your activity. Please stay active, share your stuff with each other, talk to each other, help each other out, because we're going to be bringing a lot of stuff back. So you have now incentives to be active in the chat because there's members of the month, right? You guys saw last month for January, Ludo won it. Not Ludo, I'm sorry. Sako won it. Sako was the first ever Discord member of the month. He carried the chat. He was very active. And then as soon as he wins, he's like one of those guys that wins the title and then retires. He just goes. But he did tell me that he's actually like locking in on and trying to hone his skills on the trading. So he'll be back after that. He said probably by the end of February, he should be back. But yeah, we have a lot of these things coming up, guys. It's going to be amazing. You guys are going to have a great time. And we're going to make the Discord a great place to be. It already was a great place to be. It still is. But we want it to be a little bit more engaging so you guys have a reason to stay in there. So yeah, man, that's what we've got so far for the announcement. So yeah, giveaways are coming back. We'll give you guys a set date and a set time once we iron it out. And then, well, I never posted. Oh, wow. All right. Ludo, it's all good. It happens to the best of us. All right. So now that the announcements and stuff are out the way, we can get straight into talking about what happened today or what the trading session was like for me today. So let me now move this over to here and we can look at what's going on this account here. Oh, this is, guys, 1 second. Let me close this. There we go. That's why my mouse is acting weird. There we go. All right, guys. So I took this trade earlier this morning. You guys see price? Look at this. You guys see price coming to this exact. You remember I told you I have a strategy that when it shows up, it taps right at the T and then goes down from there. Look at this. All right. Beautiful work. And these strategies and stuff we'll talk about later. But anyways, let's talk about how the market's been. I've been asking you guys recently what the market's been like. How has your trading been? And everybody's been saying the same things. I'm not trading that often, or I'm not really seeing any trades, or I'm just sitting on my hands. Why? Because the market is weird. You are able to see the overall direction of what the market is doing, but still there's something off. Like, for example, I'll give you an example. I think it was yesterday when there was CPI. I was like, okay, there's a good chance price is going down. Price went down, but I had no entry. And even when price was coming back up, I didn't really have an entry then because of the strategy that I particularly use the trade just kiss TP and reversed. Sheesh. Oh, mine. Yeah, bro. So here's where I put my TP. You see right here where there's all this noise? That's why I decided to put my TP there. There's just too much. When you guys are trading, you have to take into account certain things. I trade with gaps, so I respect gaps a lot. There's a gap here. Remember, we had a strong push to the upside. So even though we're getting the setup to go down, there's a strong gap here and there's a bunch of noise right here. So I knew that like there's a good chance that price, I wanted to, you guys, to be honest, I wanted to hold till here. That's really where I was going. But when I looked at the situation, I'm like, there's a good chance it's going to happen. I'll close this for now and just see what happens. And then as soon as it closed, started reversing. But what I'm looking for, guys, is when I'm trading now, what I'm looking for is when I get into the market, let's say I get in right here. When I get into the market, I need price to just start pushing like this. These are the trades I'm looking for. Because whenever I get into a trade and then price is moving left, right, up, and down, it's usually a bad trade and I usually get stopped out. On Forex, it's more like sideways movement. And this is the most comfortable for me. Oh, that's interesting. Bright Vlogs, hope you're doing. Bro, Bright Vlogs, long time no see, brother. I hope you're doing great as well. You just missed all the announcements about, the Discord and the giveaways and all that good stuff. But I'll catch you up later on. But very good to see you again, Bright Vlogs. But yeah, so these are the type of setups I'm looking for. And then Unguardable said for him, he likes when price is sideways. For him or her, Unguardable, I'm sorry. I don't know if you're male or female. Sometimes you never know. You know what I mean? You can see somebody named like Rick James and it's a woman. So you just never know. So I don't assume. I just ask. But I'm saying guy for now. If I'm wrong, just correct me. But anyway, so Unguardable is saying for him, when he sees this, right, this sideways movement. Well, let me just mark this up differently here. When he sees this for him is when he's most comfortable. And that's probably because of his strategy or the model that he's using to trade. For me, these things, I don't like them like that. If I'm in a trade and price is doing that, I know I'm cooked. I know I entered the wrong trade. I'm a guy. It's okay. Appreciate you clearing that up, Unguardable. Right? So when I enter a trade and I see something like this, I just know I'm finished. So I'll give you an example. I'm gonna go back to replay. I'm gonna pretend like I entered. Let me take this off. Okay, I'm gonna pretend like price was going down. I entered right here. In fact, let's put a stop. Let's put a sell. What is going on? Okay, there we go. So we're gonna pretend like, let's say we're aiming for like here. Let's say just because that's where I went. Actually, that's not fair because we know price is going there. Let's make it a little bit further. Let's bring it down to like here or something. All right. So let's say I get into this trade here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. All right. So let's say I get into this trade. I entered the trade. All right, great. Volume. All right. I'm supposed to go to TP. And now price is up. It's like, okay, no problem. It should go back down. And now you're back up here. First off, guys, I'll tell you right now. If you guys are trading, let me just tell you, when I trade gold, if I get into a trade on gold and price does this and comes back to my entry, it's the only pair. You guys know I don't touch my trades. But gold is the only pair that when price moves a certain amount, I will close the trade if it comes back to my entry. Because 10 times out of 10, if gold comes back this way, it takes me out every time. So I look at it like if I got into gold, price came all the way down here, then I miscalculated my TP or I misjudged how far the trade would go, and I just counted as a loss. I just let it be. All the other pairs, like index pairs and stuff like that I trade, if price comes all the way back here, I still have hope that we can do this because it does that all the time, right? Like Ludo, you trade, you're in the membership. It does that all the time. Price will go up, come back down. It does it all the time. But for gold, nah, we're not taking that risk. So anyway, so price is back up here. All right, cool. Now it's at our entry, which is not cool. And then all of a sudden, price starts pushing down. You're like, all right, sweet. Okay, good. This candle is confirmation. We are absolutely going to TP. And then it does this. When you see this, you just know you entered the wrong trade. Now, usually people would say, bro, the next time it comes here, I'm closing or I'm moving my stops to break even. But everyone who knows me knows I don't trade like that. I am in it to win it. You know what I mean? Either stop loss or TP, nothing else. It's how I stay consistent. Thank you, bro. Miss you too. I'm not able to connect for a long time. I'm seeing all your daily updates in Insta now. I'm back. Got you. Yeah. It's been a long time, man. It's been and I think you're the one who's always liking all my stories as well. So shout out to you if that's you. You're always, every time I check, I'll see like a bunch of likes, and when I check, I think it's you. I think it's Bright Vlogs. But again, good to see you again, man. Trust me, it's been a long time. So yeah, when I see trades like this, I know, all right, I'm cooked. And then what usually ends up happening is I end up getting taken out at some point. Oh, sorry. At some point, I end up losing the trade. And there you go, just like that. You know what I mean? And so for me, I like trades where I get into it, price goes with volume, hits my TP, I'm out. Anytime price starts to move, especially something like this where price is like going up and down and up and down before, I'm like, nah. Even if it hits, that I didn't enter the trade the way that I feel like I should have. So I'm very skeptical or very careful with those, right? So what happened today? I'm not going to say everything. We can do an analysis later on. Like I said, there's some strategies I'll share with you guys later on. But this one that I took, I'm still perfecting, if I'm being 1,000% honest with you guys, right? So price came exactly to my area, and then where we at? And then, yeah, when I saw that price was starting to go down, I basically entered, as you could see, just like that, because I already knew my bias for the day was was bearish. Yeah, bro. Oh, fire. Shout out to you, bro. Much love. Let me I can't heart my own live stream, but I'm going to pump some hearts in here. Shout out to Bright Vlogs, bro. Mad supporter. All right. So again, at this level, when I got in, you can see there's a massive gap here. Usually with things like this, price wants to fill these gaps anyways. And because I'm bearish for the day. Okay. For the whole, yeah, there we go. For the whole day, what I'm looking at is price to go down. But price ended up going up. And it's because of, I don't even know, to be quite honest with you, because it didn't make no sense to me. I'm looking at everything that's happening, and even though I know index pairs usually go up, I'm expecting price to still go towards the upside, towards the downside. So first thing I did was I said to myself, if anything and price makes adjustments, I'll make adjustments as well. I'm going to close here. If I see another structure form, let's say maybe price goes back into this gap, gives me my entry, I might take another one and then really aim for like the lower parts. Like this is my real aim right here. This was going to be my like, yo, when we get to here today, this is where I should come out. And it didn't play out. You know what I mean? So, and so again, coming back to me not really understanding how price went today is what's making me understand also that the market is not really moving the way that it should. Let me just put it that way. Just because January was very coherent in the way that it moved. I'm late. What did I miss? What's up, y'all? Bro, you missed a lot of announcements. Giveaway announcements, all the stuff coming up. But I'll catch you guys up later. You and Bright Vlogs, I'll catch you guys up later on. So anyhow, so that's what happened with this trade. So now at this point today, where are we at? Sorry, my initial trade was here. It was like somewhere here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so now today, or I should say right now. Yeah, anyway, so now right now price is all the way up here, right? You can see price is getting to these levels and stuff like that. And essentially all I'm really looking at is like, let me go to the daily. Let me see if I can show you guys, right? This is basically what I'm looking at. I do understand that because price is rejecting this level that we're eventually going to get a push up. But because of the fact that we keep making lower lows or lower highs, there's a good chance that we're still going to do that until we eventually break out. Now, I also suspect that this possibly could be a fake out, but we'll see what happens, right? But right now, I'm just literally just following price action and just looking at it. If we are going down, what I'm looking for essentially is that when price does return to, let's say, like levels down here, I'm looking for like a gap or something to go towards the upside, essentially, right? And if not, and vice versa, and we start breaking structure towards the downside, right? We start doing all this, you know what I mean? Then I'm looking for maybe a gap up here or something like that to go towards the downside. It's really that simple for me. It's just that price is behaving irregularly for me as well. Chilling, bro. What's up, man? That's a quick, bro. You missed some important stuff. Snap. I'll have to rewatch the live after. Yeah, I'll give you the timestamp after as well, so you can find out where all the updates are at. So that's basically all that's happening today. And then also, if you guys notice, I took this trade today on SPX 500, which I don't usually do. But when I looked at US 30 today, I looked at SPX 500. I looked at, in fact, let me go over to US 30. Right, US 30 today, this was the price action. Price shot up here around 8:30 for news, came up into this zone that I marked, pushed all the way down. And believe it or not, with all this that happened, I didn't have a setup. There was so many reasons why I couldn't enter the trade today. So you see what I'm saying? Like it was a decent day, but not something I could take advantage of. And so, guys, I want to say this as well. Right now that you guys are not trading, you're going to feel bored. Okay, you know what's happening to me? I'm looking at the market and I'm saying, bro, I'm taking like 1 or 2 trades. And it feels like I'm doing nothing. It feels like I'm waking up every day, coming to the chart, and then just watching price move. But you have to be patient because remember, your job is to make money and to keep what you made. And so us keeping our money is by staying out the market when things are not clear. Anytime the market isn't clear, don't trade. I was so confident today that we were going to get this move. I've been waiting for it all morning. I was that confident because today I'm like, nah, the way price is looking, all the stuff. You guys, I didn't have any bullish confluence, even though I knew price could go up to some degree. I didn't have any bearish, bullish confluence to take this. This gap you're seeing here is on a 1 minute. Let me see what it looked like on the 15. Oh, it showed up on the 15 as well. But this happened at 9:30. Yeah, exactly. So if anything, I would have taken this towards the upside. But when price got here, let me see if I got my entry model. Yeah, so when price came to this gap, I still couldn't have taken this trade because it wasn't my entry model, right? It's not what I used. The criteria for my entry is not there. So I took the short on SPX 500 and the rest was history. This trade I didn't take. This was an example we just drew up, right? And so it's just one of those things, guys, where we just have to be patient. Let's just allow price to do what it needs to do. And then from there, we can, you know what I mean? What I feel like February is just a setup, to be honest. I feel like if I had to draw February in one move, if somebody said to me, how would you describe the month of February? I would say this is February right now. This is, to me, this is what February has been about. Just straight up consolidating. That's it. To me, this is what February has been about. So what that tells me is that after all this consolidation is done around March, we're going to either break up, right? Or break up. We're going to break towards the upside or we're going to break towards the downside. That's it. One of those two. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. Let's be patient. Let's hold our horses. I mean, hold your horses, as they say. Let's hold our horses, and then we'll be able to get clear stuff. Like I said, direction is not the issue for me this month. I'm seeing where the market wants to go. Even yesterday with CPI, I was explaining to Ludo that price was supposed to go down. I just didn't take it for two reasons. One, I don't trade news, and then two, I didn't actually have an entry, so I just let it be. You know what I mean? Today's one of those days where, again, you can kind of tell it's going up, but I was very convinced. I was very certain I was waiting for this all morning, that we were going to get this push to the downside, and I got it, and I'm happy with that. But even then, my real move was here. I was aiming for down here. So, you know what I mean? Like, it wasn't great. I let the trade close here because when I looked at everything and I looked at this gap, I'm like, you know what? Based on how price has been moving this month, it's not smart to hold it too long. Let me just hold it till there. There's a lot of noise at the side here. There's a big gap right there. Let me change the color because it's actually a bullish gap, right? Things of that nature. So, oh, yo, Marcus is here. What's good, bro? What's good? Please let me know about the announcements, bro, when you're free. Waiting for your text. Thanks a lot. Got you, brother. I will. I absolutely will. And then Adib is saying what up to Marcus as well. What up, Marcus? Marcus Adrian in the building, everybody. Let me see if I can get a round of applause for my brother over here. Let me see. What sound can we play for Marcus to welcome him to the live? Let's see. In fact, Marcus, this one is for you. 1 second. This one is for you, brother. Marcus, we're glad that you're here.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Sorry if it's too loud, guys. I have to play it off the speaker because my OBS is glitching. But Marcus, we're happy that you're here, brother. Alrighty, so just for the day and stuff for that, you know what I mean? It is what it is. I think all of February is just, like I said, is just setting up. And I think March might be the real play. We are getting large moves and large swings, which is a good thing. But the setups, I don't know what it is. I have today I looked at the market. I had no entry towards the upside at all, even though I was suspecting there's a chance price may go up. But part of the reason why I also stuck to the bearish confluence was for that reason. There was literally no bullish confluences for my entry model. You guys, everyone trades different. Someone else would have been like, no, I just looked at price action was going up. You're absolutely correct. For me, the way I trade, there was nothing I could look at. Sorry. My sister-in-law was sending me memes. So, what's it called? Yeah, I had no entry criteria for me to hop into this trade and take it toward the upside, right? So you guys have to just be disciplined. Everybody trades different. Some people can take a trade and go in the opposite direction as you and still make money. It doesn't mean you copy them. It just means you stick to your plan. That's it. They stuck to theirs. It worked out for them. Stick to yours. It'll work out for you. And that's basically it. All right. So the market's been weird. Okay. Somebody mentioned Euro USD today. I think it was Unguardable. He said he took a nice 1 to 10 trade. Unguardable, are you still in here? You don't have to give us too many details, but did you buy or sell? I just want to know, just to kind of, while I'm looking at this pair over here. Guys, look, our old analysis and all that stuff is still here. And would you look at that? Would you? Look at that. All right, let me clear everything over here so that we can get a clear chart. In the meantime, Slickrick said, what's good? I sold. Okay, got you. Extremely happy for you. Ludo said. All right, so let's go look at the day. Let's start off with, did you trade New York session or you traded London? Let me know. Oh, you sold at 104. Okay, never mind. That helps me out a lot. Oh, no. Let me get rid of this. 104 was right. Okay, let me just do this. Was basically around here. So if you sold and you caught a 1 to 10, that was yesterday. No. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to the daily. Sorry, to today's chart. Let's see where you're at. I'm assuming you probably took this trade. This might be you, or maybe this might be you. One of those. And TP at 103.8. Okay, perfect. Bro, thank you for the coordinates, brother. 1038. Oh, wow. Man. 038 is right about here. Perfect. So I'm assuming then this was you. Excuse me. Right? If you hit a 1 to 10, I got a... Oh, wait. Right here. So, yeah. So, man, you scalped the life out of this. Good job. You guys, we got to sing. We haven't done congratulations in a long time. Let's congratulate our brother, Unguardable. The name stands, bro. He's unguardable in the market. Shout out to you. Congratulations for winning this wonderful, wonderful trade. Where's my congratulations song? Oh, there it is. All right. So, congratulations, Unguardable. Great job. Everybody throw some fire emojis in the chat for Unguardable.
Congratulations. I am happy for you. Like me, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate.
Hey, clap it up for Unguardable. Oh man, that is fire. A 1 to 10 trade, brother. Great job. Once again, congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, we're extremely happy for you,
We
brother.
are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
MVP of the day. Good job, brother. Good job, man. Really good to see you guys doing well. I love it. I love to see you guys doing well. Shout out to you guys. I've seen a lot of you guys trading. You guys are having great months. You know what I mean? Some of you, and then some of you are sitting on your hands kind of like I am. This week, I think I've taken like 2 trades. Like 2 trades. And one of them was a loss. Was it this week that I took the loss on Nas? Yeah, I think it was this week, right? So it's hasn't been even that great for myself. So shout out to you guys for doing it, man. Congratulations. Can't say it enough. Good job. Great execution. Great execution. All right. When we go and look at the higher time frame, in fact, let's go back. Let's do a bit of an analysis here. First off, let me put the chart back. Let's go all the way back to before he entered the trade. Let's start at 7 o'clock. All right, 7 o'clock is fair. All right, so 7 o'clock. Well, the daily, if I go to daily, it's going to show everything differently. But first, then let me just take the daily thing off. This is the 13th. Okay, perfect. Yeah, let's do that. All right, cool. So you guys can see clear as day, bearish price action, right? Came here, swung down here, came up here, right? Eventually started getting into a tighter move. It pushed up all the way back here, and then it pushed down and came back up here, went this way. I think what Unguardable was looking at was, even though, and I was explaining this to you guys the other day, even though there's a lot of peaks and troughs in this, right? You have a lot of little movements here and there. The major swing points are right here, right? Like this is one. Okay, you can maybe count, well, this is where price change direction again, and then after that it changed from here, and then after that basically, you know what I mean, like we kind of get to here, and then eventually we get to this point. And so when you look at the swing points per se and not all the noise in between, he was probably looking at it like, well, technically we're still in a bearish format. Now we did have price come down to this low and then kind of break these intermediate highs, right? But this major swing point hasn't been broken, so that's still, in a sense, for going from swing to swing, that's still in a sense bearish structure. So he was anticipating this, so that already is good price, you know, direction. And you guys know I tell you trading comes down to three things. In fact, type it in the chat if you know what the three things are. Yep, that's how it works, guys. No offense, but y'all making me think that your trades look like child's play. Are you saying that our trades look, you know, like child's play compared to the massive setups you catch? Or are you saying that like we're making it look easy? I don't know. I'll tell you right now, trading is simple, but not easy. Simple, but not easy. Anybody who trades for it will tell you that. It's simple, because the more you simplify your trades, the easier. But anyways, let's get back to this analysis. All right, so we go down to the 4 hour. All right, same thing. For me, you know me, I'm looking at gaps and all that stuff. You can just see market structure over here. You know what I mean? Price was kind of reacting very strongly to, let me put a standard block right here. You know, strongly to these levels and things like that. So this is an area I would definitely watch. Just even though price violated it, but when you look at it, price came up, tapped down, pushed up, tapped into it, pushed up, came down, right? So it's telling you that this area is mad respectful, right? Whenever you come into the zone, you can expect something. So for me personally, that's a strong zone. I'd be looking at that. Now let's go down to the 1 hour. It's supposed to be around, we need to get to around 7. Oh, my fault, 7. We're too far out. 7 o'clock right here, boom. All right, so at this point, this is where Unguardable is trying to get into the trade. I don't know how he trades. I don't know what model he used. You're welcome. You're welcome, Unguardable. I think he meant it looks very easy to trade. Got you, Adib. Thank you for the clarification. Yeah, but you guys, here's the thing about trading. Anytime we do hindsight trading, it looks so simple, right? Like if I go back to that other trade, I'll show you guys after that I took today, it looks simple. But when I was actually trading it, I was sweating a little bit because of all the movement. And you're anticipating like, yo, get to this, right? So like, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. But anyhow, so I'm looking at, you know what I mean? You can see right here on the 1 hour, very nice gap. Price was manipulated into it, but for the most part, when there wasn't, this is probably some news candle. Yeah, 8 o'clock. There you go. So when there's no news, you can see price taps into it, pushes down. Very nice gap was respected. That's definitely an area you might want to look for. If we go down to the 15, you know what I mean? Kind of holds a little bit. You know what I mean? There's a gap there. I won't conflate them together, but either way, you can see that area is strong. So it looks like what happens with Unguardable is, I guess when we get into this level, you can see here price kind of shifts and breaks structure. And I think that was his signal to hop in. He probably hopped in maybe right here, put his stops maybe at the top here, and then aimed for, where was his, my fault, wrong spot. It's all the way up there. So let's see what happens, because he said he bought at that level, not here. Let me go back up. I might be in the wrong spot, but I think you said you entered here and came down. Yes. Okay, let's see what happens when price breaks above. Okay, boom. So price breaks above again to this level. Again, I don't know what he's looking for. I would usually, like on the 1 hour, I'm looking for something, right? Something that tells me maybe we might want to be coming down. I don't see no gaps or nothing here. There's only a gap here, nothing. So I'm just going to assume that he was using straight up price action because I don't know his entry model. And somewhere when we got to this level, let's see if we can find out why. At some point when he got to this level, this is when he entered the trade, okay? Which is very, for me, that would be an unusual setup. I do not take trades like that because we're already so deep into, I'm trying to catch the move up here. That's me. Everybody who sees me trade knows I'm catching the tops and the bottoms. You see what I'm saying? However, everyone trades differently. So he enters here, take profit there. Stops must have been like, so 1 to 10. So like right there, maybe like that, which is insane accuracy. Now, I don't know if he entered at this specific point. Wait, this is Wednesday, bro. No wonder I'm tripping, bro. This is Wednesday. I'm like, bro, this doesn't make no sense to me. And all of you guys are watching me. All of you guys are watching me, not saying not one word. They're like, yeah, keep going. This is Wednesday. No wonder it's not making no sense. All right. Okay. Cool. So boom. Here we go. 7 o'clock. That's where we're at. All right. Great. So price comes up into these areas. Oh my gosh. Ah, man. All right. Let's just. I'm just at this point. I'm just going to let it be. So obviously you can see price giving us nice, you know what I mean, reaction coming down, sweeps up into, there's a little gap right there, comes back up into this area. Guess where it goes into? The next gap. And maybe that's what he used. I'll point it out to you guys so you guys can see. There's a little gap right here. I'll change it so you guys can see what it actually is. Bearish gap. And then you also have right here, you have another one. Okay, maybe that's what he's using. Again, don't know his entry model, but I'm just if I look at GP, my entries at once, then since the initial move, I've been adding new position. All right, Kairos, I'm gonna look at it. Kairos the third, wonderful name. I'm gonna look at it in a second. Bro, that's different. Yeah, unguardable. Unfortunately, it's a little late. All right, you watch me like make a fool out of myself. Now you tell me after I correct myself, it's different, brother. I needed you. Where were you? And you know what I mean? In the last 10 seconds of the play, I needed you to come in clutch. All right, all jokes aside, he enters this position and then boom, price takes him out. Very beautiful trade. Literally how I would want to enter my trades as well. I can't critique this at all. Wonderful trade. Like even though I don't know what model he's trading, if I were to trade my model, this is as good as you can get on an entry. This is as good as you can get. So shout out to you. Very, very, very sniper trades. Very wonderful. And unguardable, if you're comfortable enough when you're in the Discord, sometimes you can share your ideas. Everybody does it. Sako, Ludo, everybody. Adib, everybody shares their trades. All right. So really, really good trade. Let's go look at Kairos the third. Kairos the third. He said he took a trade on GBPAUD. Man, I remember looking at that chart during when we were doing our challenge. Hated that pair. All right. So he said his entry is at. Are you buying or selling? Well, I mean, if I put it in, we'll probably see if I put in the coordinates. So let's start off with the coordinates. I'm just going to enter a random one here. Then I'm going to copy what he wrote here and put it into the... Okay, let me just copy this and add a 5 to it. Or a 9, my fault. Coordinates. You know what? Never mind. I'll just type it out. 1.969. 59. All right. So where did that go? Okay, cool. Oh, wow. Sheesh. You guys, man, have I missed y'all. I don't know what my model is called, but it's a mix of different everything. But most important thing is that it works for me. I mean, everyone's... bro, unguardable, you couldn't have said it better. I couldn't have said it better myself. What matters is that it works for you. That's it. Nothing else matters. Let me get rid of this. All right, so Kairos also caught a sniper trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. You guys, those of you who are not here, is what's his name? Bright Vlogs. Are you still in here? Let me know before I say this again. Let me know if you're still in here. Hopefully you didn't leave. But Kairos said he got in right here. Obviously, it's for a buy. He said he keeps adding positions. Now, again, based on my entry model, this is a beautiful setup. Beautiful, beautiful setup. And he keeps adding positions. Okay, so we're going to assume he has one here, maybe another one here, right? I don't know. Maybe he's aiming for all the way up here. Let's just assume he's doing that. And so he's got one entry here, right? Another one here. Maybe the next one he added somewhere over here. And just a beautiful way. Marcus is known for that. Like Marcus, me, I'm just like a one-hitter quitter. I'm getting in at the bottom. I'm sniping to the top if I can. I'm out. That's it. 1 to 2 if it's a hazy day. A little bit more if I have more confidence or I have other factors of confluence. Marcus trades just like Marcus is gonna get in here. In fact, let me do a replay of Marcus's trade. All right, I'm gonna go all the way back to around right here when the entry happened, and I'm gonna do it on the 1 minute. So obviously this is kind of a swing. So yeah, let me just do it on like kind of 15 or something, just so it doesn't take forever. Okay. Yeah, so Marcus is already in here. Let me see. How much would that get us? 6? Now we need way more. Way more. We need this to be worth our while. Because I can imagine Kairos the third went and took out a bank loan. Probably for like 10K. Bro, let me add a couple. There we go. Kyrus the third went and took out a bank loan. He's trying to flip this to buy a house on a Lambo. So, you know what I mean? This is nothing. All right, so this is how I know Marcus to be trading. Literally, yeah, right here, he's already in. Probably another 2 positions, right? Price is going, comes back down. Sometimes when it's coming back down, he adds more. Okay, boom, it's going up. And like that's Marcus. Marcus just, he'll take a position that was supposed to make you like 0.5%. He'll turn into like a 2-3% trade. All right, it's retracing. That's him. And so essentially you get my point, right? That's how he trades. Now, Kyrus the third said he kind of did the same thing. Again, we're assuming he got in at certain points. But either way, you guys, very beautiful setup. Now, Kyrus, do you kind of want a 100% win rate with a 35K payout? Shout out Kyrus. Hey, Kyrus, link me when you get the payout. My fault, guys, right? So very beautiful trade, Kyrus. Can't critique it. Very beautiful trade. As of right now, it's still pushing towards the upside. Again, great job. All right, great job. When do you plan to get out? Or you're just going to wait for like certain factors? Or there we go. You're going to wait for certain factors and things of that nature? Like when you plan to get out? Let me know. Let me know. Here's where, at least on the 1 hour, here's where price started to kind of make its shift and its change. So I would say anywhere around here, right? I would start. Don't listen to me. I'm saying for me, if I'm holding, these areas always cause me concern because of how price responded at those levels, right? And you can see when you drag it over, it becomes somewhat of a significant area. That's just my 2 cents. That's all. I don't know why. My bro will become a billionaire today. Trust me. Trust me. He's flipping that, and then he's gonna buy us all. Shout out to Fauci, bro. Where's Fauci at? Fauci's supposed to buy us all gifts because he got rich. Anyhow. So excellent trade, guys. Excellent trade. So with that being said, people, it is 11:28. I actually do have to hop off this live. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord so that the updates and stuff, we'll post the updates as to all the things coming into the Discord for those of you who missed it. I think Kyrus wasn't here. Unguardable. Was he Unguardable? No, Unguardable was here. Kyrus, Bright Vlogs, and somebody else missed it. All right, if you missed it, just go into the Discord. We're going to post it later on, and you guys will see all the wonderful announcements you got going on. All right. I'd like to thank each and every one of you always for your love and your continued support. Like I said, lots of great things coming to the Discord. The giveaways are back as well, so look forward to all that stuff. I love each and every one of you. You know what I mean? You guys are the reason why we do what we do. So yeah, best of luck in your trading journey. I will see you guys. Today's Thursday, so it's the last stream for the week, but I'll see you guys on Monday. Tomorrow because Friday and Monday known for pullback. Got you. But bro, best of luck. I hope you crush this. I hope you get a 1 to 1,000. Real talks. I hope you do well because this is a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. You should be proud of yourself. And post it in the Discord, please. Those of you guys who are taking these trades, post your results and stuff in the Discord. You know what I mean? Post your setups. It's not a competition in there. You see when you get there. It's not a competition. It's under the channel is called Trading Ideas. Everybody just shares their analysis. Some win, some don't win, and everybody congratulates each other when you win. It's a beautiful thing. So post your results and stuff like that after. But yeah, you're welcome, Unguardable. Shout out to all of you guys again. Love each and every one of you guys. You guys have a great day. I will see you in the Discord, and I will see you, God willing, next week on Tuesday. All right. Love you guys. Take care.